Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're reviewing what we think is the best swimsuit for women in the one-piece tummy control category, the Aqua Eve one-piece bathing suit. Whether you're planning a beach day, lounging by the pool, or looking for a swimsuit that gives you both confidence and comfort, this might just be the perfect option. Let's dive into the details and see what makes this one-piece swimsuit a standout in its category. First off, let's talk about design and fit. The Aqua Eve swimsuit is a classic one-piece that combines modesty with a hint of vintage charm. It's got a shirt or ruched design through the midsection that not only looks stylish but also works as an effective tummy control feature. The gathering across the stomach helps to conceal the belly area while enhancing your natural curves. It's flattering, it's slimming, and it's incredibly comfortable. Now, for those of you wondering about support, especially if you have a larger bust or a long torso, this suit delivers. It has built-in, non-removable cups that offer moderate support. There's no underwire here, which means more comfort, especially for long beach days. Plus, the adjustable straps let you tweak the fit until it feels just right on your shoulders. Material-wise, it's made from a blend of 82% nylon and 18% spandex for the shell, and the lining is 90% polyester with 10% spandex. A soft and stretchy swimsuit that's quick-drying, holds its shape, and doesn't feel tight or restrictive. The fabric feels good on the skin and has just the right amount of elasticity to allow you to move freely, whether you're swimming, sunbathing, or walking along the shore. This particular version comes in navy blue and is a size XL. But Aqua Eve offers a wide range of sizes and colors so you can find the one that suits your personal style and fit. The navy blue shade is a classic, timeless option that looks elegant and chic on nearly every skin tone. One of the most appreciated things about this swimsuit is how inclusive it feels. It's designed for all women, from teens to moms, and it truly works for different body types. If you're looking for coverage, support, and a stylish silhouette, this swimsuit ticks all the boxes. Now let's talk about ease of use. It's a pull-on closure, so there are no complicated zippers or hooks to worry about. Just slip it on, adjust the straps, and you're ready to go. It's an imported item, so keep that in mind when considering shipping times, but many users have noted that it arrives relatively quickly and is true to size in most cases. Overall, this swimsuit is a beautiful blend of functionality and fashion. It's not just about looking good, but also about feeling good. The tummy control gives you that extra confidence, the vintage styling keeps it on trend, and the comfort makes it something you'll want to wear over and over again. So, if you're on the lookout for your next go-to swimsuit, the Aqua Eve one-piece bathing suit is absolutely worth considering. It's flattering, functional, and thoughtfully designed to make every woman feel her best by the water. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review. Until next time, stay confident, stay stylish, and enjoy your time in the sun.